Well, breaking news, I'm sure you've heard about it, the winter storm sweeping the country. Experts warning the severe cold leading to frost within minutes. And according to Power Outage US, more than 1 million customers across the nation are now without power. Thousands of flights have also been delayed and canceled.
Let's check in with meteorologist Mike Masco on what some are calling a once-in-a-generation storm. Mike?
Hey guys, good afternoon. We are watching the bomb cyclone across the Midwest actually strengthening right now, and that's going to continue to bring some really crazy cold into the Northeast and down across the Southeast by this evening. But take a look. You'd think with all this cold and snow, let's go for some ski resorts. Not the case, though. The higher elevations have been picking up insane winds, and this is Brighton Resort out in Utah getting into 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, and that created ground blizzards. Visibilities reduced down to nothing, and at one point really just tough to stand on any skis or snowboards. So a bit of a double-edged sword as you get towards the ski country, as we are expecting some whipping winds, and the winds have been creating a mess of power outages from Connecticut all the way to North Carolina. Connecticut reporting upwards of 100,000 without power. Georgia 95,000. We'll keep an eye on the Texas grid. Remember, going back to 21 last year, had those significant power outages. We are at 80,000, but according to ERCOT, we are expecting to meet the demand over the next several days. Blizzard warnings in effect across the Midwest. We have winter storm warnings across the Ohio Valley and high wind warnings into the Northeast. A hard freeze alert goes all the way into central Florida. So the bomb cyclone will continue to intensify through the afternoon hours. That is going to drag a gusty northwest wind in, and we'll see some snows across the Adirondacks into the Catskills, Green and White Mountains, and that's an area where I do think we'll pick up several inches of snow. So interior New England, interior sections of maybe the Mid-Atlantic, this could be deemed a white Christmas if we pick up 1 inch of snow. So Burlington, 1 to 3 inches possible. Rochester, Erie, along the Great Lakes, that's going to be an area that makes out pretty well. But the winds are going to be a whipping as we get into the afternoon, and that is the possibility, or creates the possibility rather, for more power outages. So we're concerned across interior New England, possibility of several thousand without power as we go into the rest of the evening. We'll send it back to you.
Wow, baby, it's cold outside indeed, right? I mean,
Maybe it's cold outside.
See, I'm not a singer. I thought you might be.
Oh, I'm terrible, but
that was good.
Oh, thank you.
I'm impressed. All right, another skill that Michael Grimm has.
Please.
Who knew? All right.
No crooked establishment.
None of that twisting the truth. No talking down to me.
Don't tell me how to think.
Don't tell me how to think.
Don't tell me how to think.
I trust Newsmax.
Newsmax.
They don't tell me how to think.
They let
me decide.
Newsmax.
real news
For real people.